Today is the unboxing of the FlashPoint round head accessory kit. These Godox, I believe, makes the same sort of thing. FlashPoint, as hopefully you know, is just the Adorama branding of Godox. It's the exact same thing. So here is the nice case that it comes in. And it all fits nicely into there. This is, let's see, we got two sets here. We have the dome and the snoot. Okay, over here we have a grid. These are all magnetically connected to each other for easy storage and for placement on the flash. So we have the grid. This is the holder for the card, which is sitting up here. It's either a black card or a white card, and it has a bit of an adjustment angle to it, if it doesn't pop out. There we go. So you can adjust the angle. Okay. Next, I don't know, an extension. Try to figure that out in a second. This is a screen for softening, and then the 4 barn doors. So you can really control specifically where your light's going to go. Oh, wait, I know what this is. This is for the gel filters. In the bag, we have a couple of CTOs. Oh, they are stuck together nicely. Looks like we have 3 CTOs. I'm guessing, I don't have the list with me, but I'm guessing a quarter, half, and full CTO. We have a green and a couple of clears. I guess you can add them on yourselves. Again, I apologize. I don't know off the top of my head what these are for. I don't have the documentation in front of me, and there's no actual insert in here to tell you what it is. But these fit into, you can see the 4 sides there. Once you take out of the plastic, the filter will fit right in there. Okay, so let's get the flash. All right, so I did go to the Adorama site and I looked for an explanation of the color filters, and all it said was you get 6 color filters. It didn't tell me specifically if this is, like, I believe it's quarter, half, and full CTO, but it didn't tell me specifically. I don't see any markings on the filters themselves to tell me. So that will remain a mystery. So I've got here an X100 just to show you. So this is what it's designed for. The snoot actually fits over it so that when you shoot, it fits right over top and you can collapse it. Now the rest of them are magnetically connected and they stack. So for example, I can take a honeycomb, put it on top, then take a CTO. I'm not going to take it out of the bag, but you can see, put the CTO in here, put that on top, and then put a diffusion node on top, so they stack nicely in the on top of the flash. Or if you've got a round head for the AD200, it'll fit perfectly on there as well. And the card works like this. Again, you can put it anywhere you need to bounce it in any direction you need. And the barn doors like that. So they all fit magnetically on. They stack nicely. So you can add multiples as you go in. Very cool to do that. And then they will all restack. Let's see. Oh, helps to do it like that. Actually, I think be better this one on top. Side. Collapse this in. Oh, that's fun. And the only issue I have is the card is just a little bit too big to fit nicely in there. So when you fold it over, the card is actually going to have to be squeezed in. But that's what you pay for having a nice small case. It's not going to do any damage to the card as long as you don't get it caught in the zipper, but there's really no other good way to store the card in here. So the best you can do is use your thumb to hold it down while you close and zip. Okay, I hope that was helpful.